with my baby, it is conceivable that my wife and I, difficult though it might be, we could set up her life so that one of us is always there, so that she never experiences a single rupture from the both of us at once, right? So we could set it up so that like we sleep on a pallet on the floor just outside of her crib, so she could reach down and touch us at night if she wanted to, right? We could always walk right behind her all the time so that, you know, there's no space there for her to fall, hurt herself, whatever. We could never allow my mom to take her for the evening. Everywhere she goes, we have to go. That would not create secure attachment. In fact, that would probably create preoccupied attachment, because then the child grows up always having to wonder what would happen if they were gone. What would happen if they did leave? What would happen if there was distance? So that would not create secure attachment. It also wouldn't create secure attachment if we just let her have, you know, let there be a rupture and just not deal with it, not tend to it. But when our baby cries, and every time our baby cries, we respond, we repair, right? We come. She calls for us, we come. She reaches for us, eventually we're there, right? That builds into her a confidence that mama and daddy will come. I don't need to be afraid of I may not like it when they leave my room, but I don't need to be afraid when they leave my room at night. And so it's the confidence that comes after consistency of repair after rupture that creates security in a relationship.